Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to find friends in Snapchat. Okay, then let's go for it. First of all, open up Snapchat, tap on upper left side. Okay, here is option for you, find friends on Snapchat. Tap on here, find your friends, tap on continue. Allow your contacts for friends on Snapchat. Okay, tap on allow and here it's loading. Okay, here is some contacts for you who is using Snapchat. So tap on add for adding them. Okay, now this contact is my friend. So that's it. That's what I want to show you. Thank you for watching.